Oh, that's scary. That is scary. My body is like shaking right now. Anyway, let's go. Okay. So far it's been 11 minutes and I haven't made no progress. Just how pathetic that is. Just think about it for a second. Just think about how sad that is. Playing for this long and haven't made no progress. I want some. You're a 5 a day in a can. Tastes delicious. Actually, I don't think it tastes delicious at all. Crab cake! Where are the humans? I don't see any humans walking down there. Oh wait. There's some. Good to be on. Okay. Ah! I hurt my wee little arms. Are you serious? No, Willie boy. Well, that was the easy part to finish. I just wasn't acting smart. Woo! Okay. Spartus. I hate doing blind runs. Oh wait. Perfect. What the heck? Yeah. People do this to get speed. People do this move to get speed. For some reason. It actually speeds you up. A lot for some reason. I don't know why. Ridiculous. Let's go. Where are we? Oh! What the heck was that? Oh! I rolled! What's that? What that supposed to mean? Something over here? This way? I don't see anything. Okay, well. Okay. The wrong places. Now, where am I? Press the button, Faith. Okay, fine. Up here, Faith. Over here, Faith. Over here. Keep going, Faith. Let's punch it, Faith. Let's not punch it, Faith. Let's keep screaming, Faith. Sorry, Faith.
I just do what I'm told. You know that. Yeah, well, I don't know what to do. But still I'm telling you.
It's him.
And I got more folks watching me than just you. And they wanted us to wrap her up all night. Yeah, so it don't look good to you. Yeah, take that up and down. In a few days it'll all be over. The days run fame to be tomorrow's kitty litter. Come on! That run won't last long. None of them will, right? The precious Project Icarus will be fine. Man, don't get your panties in a bunch. Look, meet me at that new place on Reynolds Street tomorrow. 4 p.m., okay? Don't freak if they ain't finished building it yet. All quiet once you get above street level. See you there. And don't bring any of your friends. We good? Good. Anyways, I gotta get some chow. Brain like this don't hold up itself, you know.
All right. We're in his office. Get his gun. Get his gun, Faith. Get his gun, Faith.
So, Roper did know something, huh? What group he's meeting with? Get back here and we'll find a way to make you...
Oh, yeah!
Hey, look sharp. I'm getting Blue's head for you. You must have triggered a silent alarm somewhere. That's out now.
Okay. That's not working. There we go. Oh. Okay. Oh, so they already here? They're already here? Oh! Oh! You know what? Screw the gun. Let's go. Come on. Shoots with the gun. Alright. Elevator screwed up. Can't take him. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Get up there, Faith. Break it. Break it, Faith. Oh, it's nothing there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, shoot! Lost my...
Head for the roof. Don't forget your public enemy number 1, Faith. To those guys, you got jail tickets all over you.
Yeah! Ow! Ow! Oh!
Go, go, go!
Oh, doggone it! Give me that gun! Get up! Yeah! I'm dodging you fools in bullet time! What the heck? Huh? There's nothing in this room. Am I screwed? Oh, I'm screwed! Wait. I'm screwed! No, no! I'm screwed. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right there. I don't know. Let's check again. Jump! 1, 2. Oh! I was going the wrong way, dude!
Don't stop. You ain't shaking them yet.
What do you mean shaking him in? Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! The fall kills me. Look at that. I was glitching out. Oh! That is gay. Excuse me!